Good morning, students. So last we learned about food and health. Now in the next chapter, that is safety and first aid, we are going to learn about the safety measures that we have to take care in order to avoid accidents. Accidents are what happens suddenly, all of a sudden, and you or the person involved gets hurt. That is an accident. So that happens very suddenly, अचानक से हो जाता है. Okay, so why it happens? It happens sometimes because of carelessness of your own. You are not careful enough, and so accident may happen. But sometimes it also happens because the other person is not careful, and because of them also you can get hurt, isn't it? So there are certain measures you have to take, or certain things you have to keep in mind, how you can avoid such accidents, how you can prevent your life. Okay, now we live in a very modern age. We are having electricity, we use cars for transportation. Now when we are using all these amenities, all these new age technology, there is always a danger also while using them. For example, if you are driving very rashly, if the person is not a good driver, if he is over speeding, he is in danger, as well as the people who are there on the road, they are also in danger, isn't it? So when we are using such vehicles, such machineries, we have to be very careful. Okay, so that's how we can avoid such accidents happening on the road. Also, some day-to-day things we do, like burning of crackers during Diwali. Okay, so that is for our fun, isn't it? Now when we are burning these crackers, we are actually handling fire. Now fire is very dangerous if not handled correctly. So mostly you must have seen your mummy papa must not be giving you the matchstick, or they don't allow you wherever there is a fire, or wherever there is a chance that you may get hurt, isn't it? So your mummy must be always telling you, don't come in the kitchen while she is cooking or frying. Why? Because there is always a danger that the oil may splash on you, or some accident may happen. So there are certain measures to be taken, certain things to be careful of when we are using such things like the cooking gas, which is also involving fire. Okay, so what happens when we are really using these day-to-day things? What precautions? Precautions means the things we have to keep in mind, we have to be careful of. So those precautions, what are they? Why are they important? That we are going to learn in this chapter here. So first we are seeing that accidents are what happen all of a sudden, and some person gets injured due to it. That is called an accident. As I said, it occurs because of carelessness, that you are not taking the precautions, you are not being careful about the situation, and that is why you can have an accident. First we are going to learn is safety from fire. So wherever we use fire, how we can be cautious about it, how can we take care of it? Let's see. A fire can be caused due to many reasons. Okay, a fire which is caused on a large scale, it will burn everything, human beings, the house, isn't it? So a fire is very dangerous. Okay, if it is on a large scale, it is very dangerous, it is very problematic to control the fire, and so you can get badly hurt. And how to prevent it, how to see that there is no accident with fire? Let's see what we can do. We can be careful while burning of crackers. Crackers यानी पटाखे, है ना. आप जब पटाखे जलाते हो, you have to be very careful then because it involves fire. Now what you can do is you can keep adults with you, your family members who are of age, your parents, your brothers and sisters who are elder to you. They can be there with you when you are burning the crackers, so they will take care of you, isn't it? This is one way you can avoid accidents because you are very small children yet. You cannot take care of it, and that is why always there should be an adult with you while you are burning the crackers. Okay. Also, electrical faults are the wiring which there is at your home for electricity. Okay, sometimes it so happens that the wires which are there, they are two different wires. Sometimes when the covering on it is broken by some reason, the wires connect and that causes a spark. Okay, fire can start from that wire. This is called electrical fault. Okay, so whenever there is such electrical fault, due to that spark, the whole house can catch fire. Because in our house we are having many flammable things, clothes, isn't it? The wooden things, they all can catch fire easily. So with this spark, the whole house can catch a fire. You may be sleeping at that time, you may not be at home that time. So you will have a very, what you can say, very problematic situation. Maybe someone is hurt, maybe your whole house is damaged. That is also a problem, right? So the fire can be caused because of electrical faults also. Okay, so what we can do is we can regularly call an electrician and check the wires whether they are in proper condition or not, है ना. When we are using some electrical appliances, we should always see that our hands are dry, because when we put the plug in the socket, our hands which are wet, they are good conductors of electricity. Water is a good conductor. So your wet hands can catch the current and your body can have a shock. So always remember that your hand should be very dry when you are inserting or removing or even putting on or off a plug. Okay, अगर कुछ भी कर रहा है इलेक्ट्रिकल सॉकेट से, your hand should be always dry. So keep these things in mind so that no accidents will happen. Also, the cooking and the gas which I told you about, the cooking gas is a very flammable thing. Flammable यानी तुरंत उसमें आग लग जाती है and it will cause an explosion also. So the cooking gas has to be taken care of. The cylinder